Hello everybody, welcome to my new video. Hope you will enjoy our new episode, and in the next scene you will see our special guest from USA.
Adolfo, I'm visiting Serbia here from Chicago.
That felt good. Wow.
Can you tell us what is your occupation?
Back home, we do sales and service for like power tools, but I also have like some side jobs where I DJ. So we do like a lot of private parties and corporate events and stuff. So sometimes I'm very active on my feet, playing games with kids and stuff like that, or hosting a lot of activities, getting people to dance and stuff like that. So one job, I do a lot of sitting, a lot of computer work, sales and stuff like that, but then the other job I can be very active and moving around in school. So that leads to some things.
Cool. Where are you coming from?
So I'm coming from Chicago. My wife is Serbian, so that's what brings me into Novi Sad. But and while we're here, you know, we like to come and see you for some treatments. That's definitely a lot more thorough than any kind of treatment work that we get back in the States. So it's always a good place to stop and come by. So it's a lot of fun.
Thank you. Hello Adolfo.
Hey man.
How are you?
Good, I'm all right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Tell us something about your condition. Tell us something about your spine. Did you have some kind of issues or something like that?
Today, you're in luck. I have some lower back pain, but basically on the right side. When I start moving, I don't really feel it when I'm sitting too much, but if I bend or stretch in certain ways, then it's a little sharp, but it's like in one place.
Okay,
so it's not like a shooting pain or anything like that that travels. It's just right at the top, lower right side. I don't know too much about it.
Yeah, if you feel pain during the certain exercises or something like that, don't do it. Okay? Everything you do needs to be super comfortable for you. Okay? Right. If you feel pain, don't do it. Okay? That's the advice for everybody. If you feel pain during some exercises, don't do that exercise. Okay, let's go to the treatment now. Okay?
Right, let's go.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's QL muscle.
Ah, damn.
It gets tight from the sitting, you know.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Then no more sitting.
Yeah, just standing and running, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hijo de la chingada.
Okay, the right SI joint is a little bit higher than the left one, okay? So I will need to push it down for a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bring your hips up and down. Was it painful?
No.
Okay.
Not, but productive, yes.
Yeah. Try to relax. Okay, breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, once again. And out. All the way.
Oh, yeah.
Bravo.
Yeah.
Is it painful?
No.
Okay.
But that felt good. I felt that one.
You feel this? Yeah. Okay, breathe in. Breathe out. All the way out, 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 out. So, DJing during the weekends, yeah?
Yeah, generally Fridays, Saturday nights.
Yeah?
Yeah. Ooh. Wow, I felt that one in the lower back.
Yeah. Do you have some like regular clubs?
So no, I don't do club DJ, mainly events. So company parties, holiday parties, company picnics, like large birthday parties, like mitzvahs and quinceañeras and things like that. So
Oh, nice.
parties for like maybe 100, 200 people.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
This was a big one.
I don't know where all those bones are, man, but they're...
Yeah. Okay. Try to relax.
Oh man, but that like released the pressure in the lower, at the lower back too. That's,
You felt there, yeah?
yeah.
Okay, let's go on the other side.
Or which way? Which way?
Yeah, like that. Okay. Breathe in, breathe out. Once again, breathe in and out all the way.
Wow. Was that me?
Yep. Yeah, buddy.
Ooh. Holy cow.
A big one.
Yeah. That was definitely
Yeah.
a loud one.
Yeah, exactly. Grab your neck like that. Okay, try to relax. Okay, breathe in. And breathe out. All the way. Wow. Nice. Nice. Let me see the other one.
It's always so funny how
Yeah.
it's like a little uncomfortable, a little pain, and then a lot of relief.
Yeah.
Followed by laughter.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Voila. Okay, breathe in and breathe out all the way.
Wow.
Try to relax a little bit more, a little bit more. Bravo. Let's see here. Yeah.
Wow.
This was a big one.
That was an interesting one, yeah?
Yeah. You know what is now going?
No.
Ear adjustments.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
Everybody loves ears.
So when I forget, you could even crack.
Yeah.
There it is.
Nice. Let me see your shoulder. Just try to relax. Whoa. A little bit more. Just relax, relax, relax. A bit loose.
Whoa, wow.
You felt that one?
Yeah.
Nice. Ooh. Let me see here. Okay. A little bit more. Oh, bravo.
That was a crunchy one.
Bravo. Painful?
No.
Okay, breathe in. Breathe out. All the way. Okay, once again, breathe in. Breathe out.
Flexibility.
Yep. Okay, bring your head up, down. Okay, try to relax. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, teeth together. Nice.
Oh man, I feel that in the middle of my back too.
Yeah?
Yeah, like tension relief. Back to normal.
Yeah, back to normal. So, Adolfo, how was it?
Fantastic, man. Always fantastic. It was good. Very thorough. I can't complain. I mean, you hit everything, man.
Thank you, thank you. Tell us, what is the most scariest moment in the treatment?
I wouldn't say scary, but I think the parts where I want it to be the most productive is generally when you're like doing the cracks along the spine, the full spine. You want to breathe right, let all the air out so that you can get the most productive crack or efficient or effective crack. So I'm trying to help you.
Yeah.
I guess that's the part that's the most nervous part, is not making it harder for you, trying to make it easy.
Yes.
Yeah.
What was the most pleasant part of the treatment?
The legs, the yanking, pulling the legs, and then the towel, the pulling the head up. Yeah. So stretching the body. It's the best.
The best. Cool.
You feel everything in the middle just kind of melt away.
How do you feel now?
I feel good. I feel like I can go for a run, a hike, whatever I want. Yeah. So I'm excited to get back on my feet, go visit, do a little more exploring in the center here, and not feel any pain.
Cool.
or discomfort. Yeah.
I wish you a very good exploring.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, Adolfo, thank you for coming here to Serbia, to Novi Sad. Thank you for coming again for the treatments and everything.
Yeah.
You know, thank you for information about the USA, about the rap and everything. Okay.
That's a pleasure, man. It's always good to see you, man. If I'm in Serbia, I gotta come.
Thank you. Thank you, Adolfo, and we will see you in the next video.